from the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where the spin lies into fairy dust.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have already gone in and prepped my face. First I had washed my face and used my Skin O2 cream cleanser, and then I also went in with my Skin O2 moisturizer, so my skin is nice and hydrated before going in and putting my makeup on. So I've already done my base, I've primed, I've powdered, I have done under my eyes and done my brows. So next step is going to be the eyeshadow. So I also did pick up the Rimmel London Magnifying Eyes Spice Edition palette, and I did use one shade out of this the other morning and I absolutely loved it. They are very, very pigmented and quite buttery. There is a little bit of fallout that comes off of them, so I am going to just apply a little bit of powder under my eyes once again, just to help for any of the fallout that does fall out under my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Match Perfection Loose Powder. I had already set my under eyes with this previously, but I'm just going to go in with a little bit more just to help with the fallout that I may get. So just with a beauty blender, and just put a little bit under the eyes. Just like that. Now I'm gonna be using my NYX glitter palettes. I have no idea what that says, but it's the NYX glitter, and this is in the shade Dubai Bronze. So we're going to use that last. So first I'm going to go in just with the Rimmel London palette. And the shade I'm going to take, I lie. For a transition shade, I'm going to go in with my Crown Brush palette. This one here. And the first shade I'm going to take is going to be this shade here. I'll zoom you guys in so you can actually see what I'm doing. This shade just here, just as my transition color. Then I'll go back to my Rimmel palette because I just wasn't into any of the colors on there for a transition. So I'm going to go in just with a small blending brush, fluffy brush I should say, and take that transition color. Now I'm going to be doing a cut crease today, so I want to take the transition color quite high and just do sweeping motions over the lid. So I've set up a new little filming room in my brother's old bedroom. He doesn't live at home anymore. He lives up in Ormo somewhere. So I have taken over the spare room, aka storage for all the junk that you don't want in your room, and I have bought some soft boxes for the lighting. So let me guys let me know how the lighting is, if it's a little bit better than what it was. I was just working with my ring light originally, so it's nice to have some better lighting. Now I'm also going to take the colors out to give myself a bit of a cat eyeshadow. Now going back in with the Spice palette, and I'm going to take the shade, that shade just there. It's kind of like a real camel. Tap off the excess. And I'm just going to take that pretty much everywhere I put the transition shade, but not as high as the original colour popped down. Now it doesn't matter if this gets all over your lid because we'll just be going back in with a cut crease. Hence why I like to take my base shadows a lot higher than what I normally would. you can see how pigmented this shadow is. Pop your shadow on the outer corner of your lid because the cut crease is not going to be going over the full way. Oh my God, these shadows are so pigmented. Okay, so back in with an original transition shade, and you just want to blend that and smoke it out. I'm actually going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to take that a little bit lower into my crease. And then with that same sort of auburney, reddy, rose goldy brown and a denser pointed brush, I'm going to just go straight in there on my outer C, just to put a little bit more definition in there, but not too much. Now that we have done that, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and that is going to be used for my cut crease. Now you're going to want two flat brushes, one smaller than the other, and you want to start carving your crease. Now this doesn't need to be too perfect because we're just going to be going back over it with some glitter. And then if you look up, that will be your where you need to cut your crease. Okay, and it should look a little something like that. Now I'm going to go and do the other eye. And once you have cut your crease like that, I just like to sort of roughly blend in that concealer into your shadow. Now before I go in with my glitter, I just like to take a little pointed brush like that and go back in with that deeper auburn shade out of your palette and just sort of lightly outline where you've done the cut crease, and you can clean up any mistakes if you have done so. Okay, my camera cut out. So I'm going to go in just with the BYS Glitter Primer Glue, and I'm just going to get a small flat brush and just put that all over my lid. And then go in and pack your glitter all over the top. Okay, now that that is done, moving over back to the original eye that we put the glitter on, and you just want to take a small fluffy brush once again, and you want to just dip back into that deeper shade, and you just want to try and blend the glitter and the shadow together. I find a patting motion works best for me, but everybody is different. And now what I'm going to do is go in with a small pointed brush once again and just take this dark purple shade and really focus that on your outer C. Now what we can do is we can wipe away our under eye powder And now we want to go in with pumpkin camel shade that we had and a small blending brush, and we just want to do a transition for under the eyes. And then go in with a transition shade just to smoke all that out. And then you want to go in with that Albany peachy colour, and you just want to do that really tight to your lash line. Now I'm going to go in with a white pencil liner. Now lashes, yay! Now the lashes I'm going to wear tonight, I'm going to go the Allure Wispies, just because they're comfortable, they're not too long, especially with this eye look. We are quite dramatic, just the way I like it. Oh, stuck to my finger. Now that lash is on, I'm just going to coat my lashes with the Rimmel London Volume Colorist. Now our eyes are done. Now we've got to go and finish the face. So I haven't done my bronzer yet, so same as usual, I'm going to go in my Rimmel Stay Matte Bronzer. Wow. Now once bronzer is done, we're going to want to go in with some blush. So today I'm going to be using the Rimmel London blush in the shade 020 Pink Rose. I'm obsessed with this. I bought it the other day and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go in with a bronzing brush, tap off the excess and just put some colour onto my cheeks. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. highlighter. Go on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow. Okay, now for lips. Today I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour, and this is in the shade Be My Baby. That's the shade, okay? That's the shade. Now that lips are done, I just want to go in with my Australis Makeup Finishing Spritz Matte Setting Spray, and I just want to spray that all over my face. Oh my god, I cannot talk today. Okay guys, and this is the finishing look. And that sums up the look for you guys. Please, if you did like this video or you like me, click the like and subscribe button down below, and you will also need to turn on your notifications, that way you are notified when I upload. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't, I always fuck this bit up. Say hello. Give me a kiss.